This is a quick tutorial guide to introduce you to our Teaching Online guide. It has a bunch of resources that could be really helpful to you as you develop online courses. I wanted to point out to you how to use the guide best. These top articles, these links on the menu, are mostly practical articles for helping you develop your online interfaces. This bottom part is mostly library resources that we're offering, just to point out to you some of the things that we already subscribe to, which are considered to be very good online learning resources. They're portable, and they often offer certificates. LinkedIn is obviously a professional tool, but there's now something called LinkedIn Learning. It merged with lynda.com last year. So students, professionals, professors can utilize time that they're not on campus by creating an account. And possibly for your classes, you would want to create assignments. There's areas in each of these resources where you can create playlists, reading lists, assignments. You're able to assess the students on their activity. If they've logged into any of these tools, then you can actually track their progress and even be able to assess them with grades. Sometimes the grading's done for you. eBook Central would be accessing our electronic books from home. If there's any chapters or readings that you'd like to assign or things that you would like to do, please utilize this resource. That's what we pay for. So if you have any questions, we have a chat box. You can contact the library during your time on or off campus with quick questions, or please give us a call. If you have anything to add to this guide, it would be much appreciated to have your suggestions. Okay, so thank you very much.